Is this a Zephyr? Or is this a Four Seasons? Well, if you guessed either of those, well, you're wrong, because it's a little bit of both. Here's a 40-inch Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan. I got the motor from Marketplace. I mean, it came with blades, but in order for me to install it in this specific spot, I had to put Four Seasons blades on it.
For all y'all that are probably complaining about it by now, that's why.
The blade arms I got from a Four Seasons that I got from Metal Pete, and the blades came off of a Regency. And yes, this is from that white and brass Four Seasons that had that mushroom globe on it. So I'm going to go over and power it up. This fan does not have an LDM in it, therefore, and me just saying that tells you it's RMM1, and the control is all the way over here, and I'll show you the control at the end of the video. So since it doesn't have an LDM, I cannot do any of the special programs. But anyway, here is speed 1. This fan is dated June of 1984. Yeah, June 11th, 1984, and was the 907th fan off the assembly line that day. Crap. Here's speed 2. Yeah, that's right. This is not the only IT fan that I have in here. I actually have 3. I got a Saturn, Zephyr, and a Panama. And somebody just flushed the toilet. Yeah, this is what happens down here, is you hear everything that happens above. It's honestly ridiculous. Here's speed 3. And I'm putting the Panama on speed 1. This fan definitely does run like a smaller Four Seasons. I mean, obviously, because it has small blades. Duh. I'll show you how I have 2 of my 3 IT fans rigged up, being the Panama and the Zephyr. Anyway, here's speed 4. This is when this fan really starts to, show bearing noise and all that fun stuff. And if it had 52-inch blades, this would actually be high speed. This is how fast high speed would be on it. Yeah, so that has to tell you something. It is fast on speeds 5 and 6. Unless if I skipped a speed by accident, because I couldn't hear anything worth a crap because of somebody flushed the toilet upstairs. Here's speed 5. Okay, so I did get it right, because this fan does make a noise on speed 6, which I have an idea on what it is. It's some of the screws, since these blades aren't genuine Casa. Yeah, a lot of people are going to yell at me for that, but it's only because I don't have any more small Casablanca blades. The rest of them I have are either large blades or Avalon blades. That's the only spares I got. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but you know what? It's cool. I'm cool with it. Here's speed number 6. Yeah, I don't know what that noise is. I think it's one of the blade screws holding the blades together. Honestly, it's making me a bit nervous, but I'll reverse it. Start it up in on speed 1. Give it a second. I probably should have just turned it down to speed 1 and then reversed it. Anyway, it still did it. This fan is, honestly, I guess I could say it is slower in reverse. Here's speed 2. Probably because this fan wobbles a ton, and I think this fan does wobble a bit in reverse. Yeah, people are walking upstairs in the office, and which is fine. Here's speed 3. Speed 4. I'm just gonna go through this super quickly. 5. And 6. Yeah, this fan does wobble. And I'm gonna reverse it, and then we're gonna do spin down. Yeah, sometimes the beeper like goes out when I try to reverse it. It only does it when I try to reverse it. I don't. Did it even reverse? No, it didn't. Well, that's frustrating. That was annoying. I literally heard it. Literally heard the thing for it, and then, but I mean, I didn't hear the click, which did get me suspicious at first. But then I figured out, I was like, yep, it didn't go, and then that's why I turned it back on, just to see if it did go or not, because I was very confused about what happened at first. So yeah, that well, honestly, well, that just happened. So yeah, I don't know exactly how to put it, but you know what, I messed up. Or I don't think I messed up. I blame the fan, but you know what? Doesn't matter. Actually, while it's spinning down, I'll show you that this fan doesn't have an LDM in it. Some people don't believe me for some reason. Yes, if you're wondering, power is not applied right now. Even if it was, I know what I'm doing. Or it's just, bottom line is, it's not even applied. I think you can kind of see it. It's not there. And ooh, I also said that I was going to show you the control at the end of the video. And I'll show you that the LDM is gone. Look at that. What do you expect? I'll put the cap on after the video's done. See, so here's the Zephyr. This one does the... Yeah, see, this one does the Zephyr. This one does the Panama. Yeah, I'll just let that fan do demo mode. Alright, I'm gonna go put that cap back on. There you go. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.